Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add booking reviews for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're going to click on it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company and they have a lot of widgets for sites, and one of them is booking reviews. So let's just sign up for free here. Sign up with the Google or Facebook, and when you will have it, just click here login. Here you will have applications and you want to write here booking. And you're gonna see it here, booking reviews. Here you have options. You can go like with the reviews widget, carousel, grid, slider, and you can really choose which one you like. I will leave this here, reviews widget. Let's continue with the template. Now you just want to paste here your booking place URL, and when you will have it, you can also change the list, also the header settings, and really play around it. So when you will have it, just click style. You can also change the colors in style, by the way. Now you have option. I recommend going with the basic or pro version. Pro version that's like $10 a month and you got 50,000 views, supported, etc. Or basic version that's like 5,000. But for start viewers, start with a light. And now you will have a code here. So just copy the code, come on Wix, HTML, OK, enter the code here, apply. So as you can see, it's perfect here and it's working flawlessly. So really good, really simple, and this is how you can add booking reviews for Wix site. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And also, I recommend checking out all the other applications. You can see it here. There's like $30 a month or $15 a month. When I'm going to click applications, they got like WhatsApp chat, Viber, social media icons, fags, so many of those applications that are useful, Pinterest feed, Twitter feed, that you can really play around as much as you want. And it's like pretty good. So you can really play around, and this is what I like about Wix, that it's so easy to edit everything. Damn. So this is pretty much it, and thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it, and you know how it works. So yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.